Most people work for money, but the wealthy, they make money work for them. If you're just saving your cash in a bank account, inflation is eating away at it every day. The secret to building wealth isn't just earning, it's investing. Investing is putting your money into something that grows over time and makes more money for you. The best part? You don't have to trade time for it. Here are the top ways to invest: stocks, real estate, bonds, crypto, and starting a business. To start investing, start small. You don't need millions. You can begin with as little as $50. Do your research and understand what you're investing in before jumping in. Be patient. Investing is a long-term game. If you're not investing, you're losing money. The earlier you start, the faster your wealth grows. Like this video? Smash that like button, share it with someone who needs to start investing, and subscribe for more financial wisdom.